a tree so high, built a nest under the clear blue sky. Mama and Papa chirp all day with their little chicks who love to play. Fly, fly, high and free, adventure waits in every tree. With wings so strong and hearts so bright, the birds soar through the morning light. One day they flew to a mountain tall, saw a waterfall, oh what a call. The chicks were brave, they took a dive, splashing down they felt alive. Fly, fly, high and free, adventure waits in every tree. With wings so strong and hearts so bright, the birds soar through the morning light. Through the woods and over the sea, the birds would fly so happily. With every trip they'd learn and grow. Adventure teaches all we know. Fly, fly, high and free, adventure waits in every tree. With wings so strong and hearts so bright, the birds soar through the morning light. Back to the nest when the day is done, the birds rest under the setting sun. Tomorrow